Hi everyone, Mike Stuchiner, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods, and I'm back again to discuss yet another one of our top 5 food picks for a happy and healthy new year. But before we get started, I need to do our product disclaimer. The information you're about to receive is for educational purposes only, is not intended to treat, prescribe, or diagnose any specific or general medical conditions, and is not to be used as a substitute for your primary healthcare provider's diagnosis, treatment protocol, or medical information. With that said, let's get rolling. So today's pick within our top 5 list is medicinal mushrooms. And if you've read any of my previous articles on Z Natural Foods about adaptogens and tonics, you would know that many of the great medicinal mushrooms are considered to be major tonic herbs, and even several of them fit within what are known as the true adaptogen category. And that's probably one of the biggest, or several of the biggest reasons why I have picked medicinal mushrooms as being one of our top 5 food selections regarding something you want to incorporate into your daily diet to have a happy and healthy new year. Polysaccharides are believed to be mushrooms, we'll say, primary family of compounds that may help to support various aspects of a healthy aging process. Mushrooms contain a wide array of what are known as non-starch polysaccharides, which are carbohydrate fractions which exclude starch and free sugar. For example, like the beta-glucans and the alpha-glucans and the galactans. And then you have what are known as, and then those non-starch polysaccharides are distinguished into either soluble or insoluble fractions, with approximately 90% being insoluble fractions. And around 80% of the insoluble polysaccharides include beta-glucans that are bound onto what is known as chitin or protein. But polysaccharides can support a wide array of actions within the human body. Okay, and they've been shown to have supportive qualities for the immune, nervous, cardiovascular, and microbiome systems. Until recently, though, it was always believed that the primary polysaccharides found in fungi were what are known as beta-glucans, which came in 2 forms, beta-1,3 and beta-1,6. And they have always been considered what you might call the powerhouse of what makes these medicinal mushrooms work. Other polysaccharides found in mushrooms are alpha-glucans like glycogen, dextrin, and various starches, which for a long time were really not thought to provide quite the same nourishing qualities as, let's say, the beta-glucans did. Okay, but modern research has taught us that this belief only tells us part of the story and may actually be based on flawed science. While beta-glucans are potent compounds, there are actually hundreds of beta-glucan shapes and sizes, and while some are biologically active, others are not. And it should also be noted, and this is really important because mushrooms have mostly been spoken about with their effects on the human immune system, okay? Not all beta-glucans are immunologically actually active, okay? Ultimately, they are just one variable of a wide range of compounds responsible for the many nourishing qualities of mushrooms, okay? And there have been actually several very interesting studies regarding turkey tail mushroom and its ability to help to support a healthy immune system response. And what it had shown was that when there are aspects of that mushroom that are missing within the whole complex, that mushroom doesn't have nearly the same amount of power it does when the mushroom is considered a whole or full spectrum extracted mushroom. Okay? Each species of fungi may contain a different beta-glucan. For example, lion's mane mushroom contains many bioactive compounds, polysaccharides, polypeptides, prebiotic fibers, and several other really important compounds. Some of these bioactive compounds are linked to what is known as neurogenesis, the growth and development of nerve tissue, because preliminary research shows that lion's mane has the potential to support this process by possibly preventing or repairing nerve damage. So now the question is, how do we use these in our daily lives? And here are some suggestions we would make to you at Z Natural Foods. If you're new to medicinal mushrooms, you may have concerns about what may be their earthy-like flavor profile and the best way to consume these powerful fungi. Whether you want to try them individually or as a blend, Z Natural Foods has an excellent selection for you to choose from. Again, because they have a rather earthy flavor profile, there are 3 foods you can add to them to get your nourishing dose of these amazing polysaccharide compounds. First is you can add them to your daily cup of Java. Now, there are 2 ways to do this. Either you can just throw one of our 7 mushroom blends into your coffee and mix it up, or Z Natural Foods offers a sweetened and unsweetened version of an organic instant coffee that is already pre-mixed with our 7 mushroom extract blend. One sip of this and you'll think you're in heaven with all the mushroom gods. Our next suggestion would be to make a 100% hot cacao drink and adding a heaping teaspoon of our 7 mushroom blend. So it would basically be coconut milk, our cacao, the 7 mushroom blend, and if you like, you can use a sweetener like stevia or lohan or xylitol, or keep it unsweetened like what I do. We assure you this will not be your mom's hot chocolate with the little marshmallows on top. Finally, adding one of these products, whether it's an individual mushroom or the 7 mushroom blend, to our bone broth based powders is an amazing way to kick up the flavor and nourishment level of these various bone broth products that we sell here at Z Natural Foods. And it's also a great way to start your day. Well, guys, this is Mike Stuccino, Master Herbalist, with another edition of our top 5 food picks for a happy and healthy new year. I'll see you next time.